See, this is stuff that be pissing me off. This Edna, I meant to tell y'all, that's Edna and that's Mobile. Edna is real stubborn. Get on in that chicken coop. If you're gonna go in there, go in there. You ain't going up, you ain't finna be roosting up top. They don't wanna go in, but they know it's time. Get on in there. Let's go. Let's go. Get on in there. They know. That's right. Let's go. Let's go, girls. Get on in there. Edna, see, he told you. She don't be wanting to go in there. Get on in there. Thank you. They be pissing me off. Well, she be pissing me off. Miss Prissy. But, all right, y'all. Peace.